How's my hair? Does it look good? Can you tell I'm wearing fake hair? Because I sure can't. Can you tell I'm chewing gum? I chew my gum like a cow. Welcome! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my... Okay, today we are going to, when I say we, I mean me, are going to declutter my craft closet. Want to see what kind of fun things I have in here? Okay, here we go. By the way, my name is Joanne. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like this channel and you want to see more, click on the subscribe button. And if you like videos like this, like decluttering and cleaning and organizing and making your life feel fantastic, then press the like button. Okay, let me roll this down a little bit. That's better. All right, let's see what's inside this thing. I'm kind of scared. Just kidding, I'm not scared. I know exactly what's in it. You might be scared. Okay. To craft or not to craft? That is the question. Should I continue to craft or should I get rid of this clutterfully full hobby? Well, I do like doing DIYs. And I know that you guys like seeing them on my channel, and I haven't done one in a really long time. Because I was addicted to the Dollar Tree. And I was spending a lot of money there. So, first thing I want to start with, I need to address my crocheting. I have not crocheted in a very long time. In fact, I start things and I never get the time to finish them. This was supposed to be a teddy bear. There's your ears somewhere around here. But it was supposed to be a little teddy bear. And it was going to be the cutest little teddy bear ever. It looks cuter when you put little ears on it. But if you can imagine some little ears on here. Anyway, when I was pregnant with Aaron's going to be 4. 4 years old in March. So I'm keeping this because I want to finish this project and maybe I can give it to my grandchild. This was supposed to be a really cute summer quilt. And I did all these, and I never put it together. So I guess my question is, should I keep the yarn and keep the clutter and finish these projects? I don't know. I like to crochet. Does it bring me joy? It does. It does spark joy. It really does. But I just don't have time for this hobby anymore because YouTube is my new hobby. I spend all my time on YouTube. So I think I'm going to keep the yarn because it does make me happy. And one day, I'm going to have the time to finish these projects. So I'm going to keep the yarn. There. Oop, there's a hole down here. I have an attic in the new house that I can put this in. And I can just take out like one project at a time, and I'll just leave a little basket with that yarn and the crochet hook and just finish one project at a time. That's a good solution. But a lot of this other stuff is a bunch of junk. Here we go. More yarn. Oh, ribbon. That doesn't belong with the yarn. Look how cute my baby. Oh, I need to frame this. I think it's in here because I have a scrapbook in here. But this goes to a blanket, and I told Jasmine that I was going to sew this on, but I'm never going to do it. I'm never going to do it. These are shoulder pads. I took them out of a coat and I was going to use them for like a future costume. I don't need them. This is an Encyclopedia Britannica pen that goes to a book that I don't know where the book is. I think it's in the garage. So I am going to put this in the garage. This stuff I can get from the Dollar Tree. I don't need this. Okay, I know I'm keeping all this, so I'm putting this back in.
But I don't wanna know the truth. I hear the things that they say about me, but I don't wanna know the truth. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? Don't you ever wanna leave this place? 'Cause I need you when the day's gone. And I would change for you. I would break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I would break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my mind. I can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sitting walking, and that the fire seemed to fade. And I know we're hanging on to something that so easily could break. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? Don't you ever wanna leave this place? 'Cause I need you when the day's gone. And I would change for you. I'd break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I'd break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my mind. 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 Seems like now you are sick of talking, and I know we're hanging on to something. Can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sick of talking. Can't get you out of my mind. And I know we're hanging on to something. I can't get you out of my mind. 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 some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind. Yeah, for you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah. Some directions to get to you, to get to you. Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you, for you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Is it me? That's me. Wasn't I so cute? They told me not to smile. They wanted me to look more serious and mature. That lipstick, it made my teeth look yellow. This is my 17-year-old son. Obviously, he's not 17 here. He was 4. But look how much he looks like Aaron. I thought Aaron looked like his dad, but now I'm starting to second guess and think that Aaron looks like me. So cute. Okay, so I'm done. I've definitely made some progress. Pretty impressed with myself. Let me show you guys the rest of the mess. So this is everything that I'm getting rid of. The only thing I think, actually, I'm going to keep this because we're moving and I'm going to need this to wrap around furniture. So I'm actually going to hold on to that. But everything else I'm getting rid of. I kind of want to keep this. No, I don't need it. I can get that anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all these coffee cans. I don't need them. But I'm keeping these. And this stuff I thought I was going to need to like reorganize, but really I don't need to reorganize because now that I decluttered, I don't need any of that stuff. So here it is. This needs to be shredded. This is going back in my kitchen. I've been looking for this for like recipes and stuff. I don't know what this goes to, but I'm gonna find out. And then this is some wood flooring that I was actually using for a different project, but I actually kind of like it. I think this might look good in my new house. It's very pretty. And then I'm going to use this somewhere because Valentine's Day. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this decluttering series with me, and I will see you guys on Sunday for the next decluttering video. Take a moment to subscribe and press that like button before you leave. See you next time. Bye.